Have you tried Deep Research before with OpenAI's ChatGPT? If you have not, this is a quick tutorial for you to do it. I'm using a paid plan, and to start off with what's going on is when you see at the bottom it says ask a question. So ask anything. You can hit the plus, and you can hit Deep Research, and it will appear at the bottom in blue. It's a telescope and says research. So I have done this before to save time. So I asked the question. I'm looking for ways to research and gather information for YouTube projects. So I had that turned on, and I said, and it came back. It asked me questions. It asked me, "What's your topic niche? What information are you looking for? What format of research are you looking for? What tools do you use?" And I responded with this. I'm an AI educator. I'm looking for trends and facts. I'm looking for bullet points. And then I came back, said, "Great, I'll do the research for your channel." 16 minutes later, they give me a full readable file, which has sources at the bottom, and I can read into it. And also, there's scenes in the middle where I can click into it, and I see the corresponding page. So I don't pressurize, and B, I have the facts that I need to know when I present it, if I present it to someone else. So this is deep research in a nutshell. You can have, actually, I think I got it to do research for me over at least a half an hour one time. But I had a lot more constraints put into place because I have my own file, my own instruction set for AIs to do scenes in a way that I want it, and to be more in depth and more do a good job. So that's the short of the tutorial. You like this tutorial, please give it a like. If you have any questions, please leave a question. And if you want more of this, just follow me for more. And if you want to work one-on-one with me, you can find the information in the description. But this is only for Canada only. Anyway, have a great day, and talk to you later.